Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub. Airi, a self-hosted AI companion that lets you create and own your very own virtual personality. This project is exploding in popularity because it goes beyond simple chat, offering real-time voice interaction and the ability to play games like Minecraft right alongside you. We'll explore how it's bringing a truly personal AI to life on your own hardware. What if your AI companion could do more than just chat? Imagine an AI that doesn't just talk, but plays complex games like Minecraft and Factorio right alongside you. This isn't science fiction. It's the ambitious goal of a trending open-source project aiming to democratize digital life forms. The project is called airi, from the organization moeru-ai. It provides an open-source framework for building AI companions that you can host yourself and fully own. These companions are capable of real-time voice chat and even gameplay, and the traction it's getting is remarkable. It's already accumulated over 30,000 stars, with more than 1,300 of those added in just the past day. This rapid growth clearly signals a huge amount of developer interest in creating truly interactive AI. So, what problem is this project solving? Well, most AI companions today exist in walled gardens. They're on closed-source platforms where users have very little control, and the AI's abilities are usually confined to just chatting. Even the open-source alternatives often focus on a single function, like text-based roleplay. The core problem airi tackles is this fundamental lack of ownership and capability. It offers a path to a truly personal AI, one you can host yourself, customize completely, and that possesses sophisticated skills. Its unique angle is not just creating another chatbot, but building a competent autonomous agent that can interact with complex environments like video games, drawing inspiration from the famous AI VTuber Neuro-sama. Airi's design philosophy is a brilliant hybrid of accessibility and power. A great way to think about it is like a high-performance hybrid vehicle. The electric motor is its web-native core. It uses technologies like WebAssembly, also known as WASM, and WebGPU to run smoothly across platforms, even right inside a standard browser. This ensures that anyone can try it out with minimal friction. But for the heavy lifting, the gasoline engine kicks in. That's the desktop version, which uses a Rust backend, and the Candle framework. This taps directly into native hardware acceleration like NVIDIA, CUDA, and Apple Metal, meaning complex AI models can run efficiently on your own machine. Now, a second key insight here is the project's modularity. A library called xASI acts as a universal adapter for large language models, or LLMs. This is critical because it decouples the AI's brain from any single provider. It allows users to plug in everything from a local Llama model to cloud services like Grok. This modular approach extends to voice services and even the game-playing agents, positioning airi as a true flexible framework. So, what are the real-world applications? For developers and tech enthusiasts, airi is a powerful toolkit for building a completely custom AI VTuber that can both chat and play games. Content creators could use it to launch an interactive AI streamer that engages with an audience in real time. And for AI researchers, it serves as an excellent experimental platform for studying autonomous agents. Now, it's important to set expectations. While trying the web demo is simple, getting a full self-hosted setup running does require technical skill. The project provides clear development instructions, but the extensive technology stack means the entry barrier for deep customization is moderately high. This is a tool built for a technically proficient audience. But despite its ambition, the project does face some significant challenges. Its immense technical complexity, which spans web, desktop, and mobile, creates both a steep learning curve and a high maintenance burden. It's also relying on rapidly evolving technologies like WebGPU, which introduces risks of instability and compatibility issues. Furthermore, that all-in-one web version, while impressive, may struggle with performance on lower-end hardware. The project's long-term success really hinges on its ability to manage this complexity and build a community strong enough to sustain its vast ecosystem of sub-projects. In essence, airi is more than just an AI companion. It's an open-source framework for creating and owning digital life. This matters because it represents a significant shift in our relationship with AI. It's about moving away from just consuming AI experiences on corporate platforms and toward a future where we can build and control these digital companions ourselves.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.